What if I told you that these four simple chords, D minor, A minor, C major, and G major, could create completely different cinematic emotions, majestic, romantic, or modern emotional. In this video, I'll show you 4 cinematic emotions you can create using these exact same 4 chords. Let's begin with the majestic and epic sound. So, what creates that huge cinematic feeling? The answer is your right hand melody. Play the melody in octaves. Then use large intervals like this. And decorate the upper note of the octave with small neighboring notes like this. Once again. A large and majestic sound. The chords haven't changed. But what if you wanted something much more emotional and modern, like this? Instead of jumping around the keyboard, stay close to the chord. Build your melody from chord extensions like this. D minor, and the melody, use the E. It's the 9. Or A minor, use the 9 and the 4. C major, use the 7 and the 9. G major, use the 9 and the 6. Once again. Avoid large leaps in the melody. Small connected movements creates a much more modern and emotional atmosphere. It is important for you to learn all of these improvisation building blocks step by step. Chords, melodies, chord extensions. So there's a free guide, a link is in the description below. But what if you wanted these same 4 chords to sound romantic, like this? The secret is your right hand melody. Alternate between neighboring notes and larger melodic leaps. That contrast makes the melody feel expressive and emotional. Then slow everything down and let every phrase breathe. Play with warmth and sensitivity instead of speed. Same chords, but now they feel warm and lyrical. If you need more variation in your left-hand arpeggios, there's a video link in the description. So, emotion number 4, passion and movement. One beautiful technique is to let the right hand flow continuously. Play sparkling arpeggios and include chord extensions. D minor, use the extension G, the 4. And A minor, use the extension 6. C major, use the extension 4. G major, use extension 6. Once again. Those extra color tones add emotion without changing the harmony itself. So you have seen the 4 chords. But this leaves us with the most important question of all. How do you create your own improvisation ideas from scratch? That's exactly what I'll show you in the next video.